My name is Prabhu Ramachandran. I'm the founder and CEO of Facilio. Facilio is a prop tech startup based out of New York in US with operations in US, Europe, Dubai, Singapore, and India. We offer a cloud-based property operation software platform.
My name is Salvatore Cataldi. I work for Belimo, and Belimo is a multinational company with the main headquarters in Switzerland. And we do produce end devices such as actuators, valves, sensors. Belimo has a very long history in high quality and reliable HVAC end devices development. And we have seen along the history many changes in time. And the building automation industry is continuously demanding for more and more connected, but also now more intelligent components. So connectivity and open system integration is a critical factor for smart building success. And smart building success is demanded by our stakeholders, that they can see the digital paradigm bringing new values. So at Belimo, we believe that our small devices are not only valuable because they perfectly do their job on the field, but also because they can play as team players with all the others in the building automation system. So it is a kind of natural evolution. Once the device can be connected, then we can interact with its software, and its software representation is what we call digital twin. So like the real device can be integrated into a building automation system, it's also the digital twin is worth to be integrated in digital ecosystems. And we are just at the beginning of this era.
Adding on top of what Salvatore described, a major shift that is happening at the property operations level is that there is an increased focus from customers towards moving to a more agile property operations, where customers are looking at ways to enhance operational efficiency, improve sustainability of their properties, and also meet their changing occupant demands. And couple of strategies that customers are now applying to move to this agile operations is they are thinking about how they can leverage data in existing system and use the data without a lot of upfront investment to help them move to more agile operations. And next area is they are looking at how can they move from single building operations to portfolio scale operations, so that gives them visibility across operations. So given these focus shift, the opportunities for vendors like us is that how can we move to a more connected building, connected operations, so that partnerships like these helps like the vendor ecosystems to deliver a more modern, real-time, data-driven property operations. So if you look at the building operation systems today, they are like fragmented, siloed, plus also like most of them are like closed systems. So the data that is being produced by sensors and automation systems are used in a very limited scope within these buildings. But with the advancement in technologies like IoT and cloud, it is very much possible to actually make use of the data and deliver multifold value. And the collaboration between Belimo and Facilio is a great demonstration of how it can be done, how technologies like Internet of Things, data, and cloud can be put together for a better use to deliver value for real estate customers. So as part of this collaboration, what we are doing is Facilio's property operations software platform integrates with Belimo's IoT ecosystem to acquire real-time data access. So using that data, we enable customers who are real estate owners and operators to remotely control their operations and also continuously optimize their building performance in real time with these combined Belimo plus Facilio solutions.
And I would like to give to you, to Karzun, a practical example of how a building can benefit of the integration between these two digital ecosystems. For instance, our performance devices, they have the capability to solve a problem that is named the low delta T syndrome. Our devices, they work at a local scope, so they work on the building in a specific place of the HVAC installation, but they produce a lot of information that they goes beyond the building automation system scope. And so, for instance, as soon as our devices is taking care of this low delta T syndrome, another application working on top of our IoT ecosystem can coordinate different devices and different parts of the same HVAC system or of a network, more complex system. So at the end, the accessibility of the data from the digital twin is exactly an important step. And in that case, the device owner can use this data to improve the efficiency of installation and commissioning, control, and services. So this is why the collaboration with innovative companies like Facilio is the natural element of our IoT ecosystem. Our digital ecosystem provides the basic material on which ecosystems such as Facilio's one can work to increase the operator awareness and allow for optimization and truly informed choices.
Strategic point of view, the benefits of connected building model is it helps customers to move to a more proactive operation model from current reactive operations by leveraging data, moving into more real-time operations, and also looking at portfolio-wide property operations. From a functional point of view, this helps customers to with new applications like remote asset performance management, condition-based maintenance, predictive maintenance, more like continuous energy saving model, and also launching apps like individualized occupant comfort, health and wellness of occupants. So these are the broad ways where this connected building model can immediately deliver value for customers.
Thank you, Prabhu. This is exactly an important point. So the ability to seamlessly bridge the gap between physical and digital built environments as customers introduce smart building initiative is exactly what we can enable with the digital ecosystem and with the collaboration between digital ecosystems. And at this point, I would like to better explain what our idea of the different ecosystem collaboration in the digital paradigm is. And I would like just to show a little graphic that we usually use for this kind of subject, because in this graphic you can see that the BMS at the bottom is always there, and it can be in different buildings, and also these buildings can be directly connected. But then when we start thinking at IoT, we are reasoning on a different dimension. IoT is something that is helping us in collecting more information from the devices. And in this case, the Belimo IoT ecosystem is having the digital twins of our IoT devices, and then offering that information to someone who can further work with that is obviously giving an added value. Now, how do we use this added value? We can use this added value in many different ways. We still don't know what are the new applications that are going to come. But for sure, for instance, sustainability measures and ESG reporting and elevating the overall occupant comfort and experience, all these subjects are possible with new applications that can come from this IoT ecosystem.
So this is already starting to happen from a connected building point of view. We see that the spotlight after the pandemic is shifting towards operation side of real estate. More specifically, how can operations be done remotely, done at portfolio scale? That shift is because of the pandemic. It has already started happening. So we will see that a major part of what is being done at the automation layer from a software point of view will move to cloud. There will be a lot more cloud software coming and solving these problems. And so that the outcome is portfolio wide, like how Salvatore described earlier. It is easy to commission, very easy to maintain, easy to learn from data. And this software driven model again enables to leverage existing DAS systems. It is not going to replace the automation system. The beauty is it is going to work together with the existing systems in existing buildings to create more value. And this way of digital transformation will lead to property operations aspects like maintenance management, sustainability management, tenant management, all delivered in a nicely integrated real-time fashion. And this is going to be the future of real estate operations.
We see that we are assisting to an acceleration of the digital transformation today. Let's say that today our stakeholders understand more and more that the digital paradigm can bring innovative points of view and innovative answers to in every field, as you said. So it's not only a matter of perception, we can perceive more the digital presence, the digital around us, but it is a real fact. So the digitalization of the building and its operation opens the door to applications so far only theorized. Today, these applications are becoming real. We can see them, we can see in the real application. So we're not only talking about comfort and energy saving. Today, every aspect of the building life cycle, as you said, has a touch point with a digital representation and benefits from the digital representation. So it is true that the industry is stepping up to meet the fast changing demands of the world with operational excellence and sustainability at the center of it.